We are pleased to show you the 2016 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, stability control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, compass, heated front driver and passenger seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.